Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. If you are new here, my name is Kezia. Hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful wig that I have installed. If you want to know more details about this banging wig, continue watching. I am feeling so good today. Today's hair sponsor is MsCiciHair. This is actually my first collaboration with them, and wow, you guys, like, we need to have a moment of silence for this wig. All right, we're good. This is top tier hair, baby. This is a fresh out of the box install. It is beginner friendly. I have installed a new film lace HD frontal wig. This is in the silky straight texture, and I have the density 200%. So it comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached. All you have to do is put it on, cut the lace, and secure her. Or if you don't want to secure her, you can wear her glueless. This is that new filming lace wig. That means you can go all the way up here and you still don't see anything. Like, look at me, look at me. What? Before we get started in this review, I wanted to talk to you guys about a few things. So as you can see here, I have the new film lace wig. What that is to me is a super clear, HD, crystal clear, see-through, natural hairline lace wig. It is filming lace. So I find that the lace on this is actually thinner and the knots are blended in so nicely. They're smaller knots. It's just a really undetectable lace. This lace will also match any skin tone. It is crazy. It's like magic because it shows up like it has a little color, but when you put it on something clear or dark or whatever it is, it matches, it blends in, it goes invisible. Like, we might as well be calling it ghost lace. I really want to show you guys the difference between the lace because it's not like your average lace. Look at those three lace there. The one closest to the screen is the lace that I cut from the wig. The middle one is the transparent lace, and the last is HD lace, fake HD or HD. Look at that one, you guys. Tell me where that lace is. Oh my goodness. Now I'm applying some water to show you guys that there is an actual lace there. I'm not tricking you. Don't worry. Look at that. Amazing. It just blended in so naturally. Now the hairline. This is an arc-shaped hairline. What that means is it is concaved to fit your head naturally, so you can wear this wig glueless and it's not going to be popping up like your traditional wigs. It's just bomb.com, you guys. You need to get into it. Can you guys see the difference? Even with the lace caps, I feel that we will be able to see the lace underneath. Do you guys see that? And we'll try the other one as well. Okay, that one's actually a little better. Yeah, I think we're gonna do without the ball cap. It's not a huge difference. I just don't want to see any lace when I'm done. I can finesse the part to make it look like it's giving scalp, it's giving ball cap. Just to be safe around the hairline, I don't want that showing through based on experience, okay? It does come with a strap, so we're gonna put it on. I just have my hair braided back, nothing special. Okay, so that is what she's looking like without a ball cap. I think that is our best bet. And this wig comes pre-plucked and all that good stuff, so I didn't have to do any of that. I'm just gonna install it and go from there. Though I'm gonna remove any remaining makeup or anything on my forehead because I really want this to be melted and very much HD. So I will be using glue for this install. I'm gonna go in with this little Ebon Wonder Lace holding gel. This is a really strong gel. It gets all flyaways and everything. So the hairline looks pretty good, you guys. It's giving very natural. This wig would look really cute if you wanted to wear her up and maybe leave some down. Like, it is very cute. Very, very cute wig.
Tell me what your name is. Tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind. I know I just met you, but something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo. Baby, I'm one of a kind. There's a reason we're here. There's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want. Come on, spit it out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's minds. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Everybody smoking. Boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside your mind. You go on about your job. Tell me things like I can't hate to walk in dogs. I go on about my ex who broke my heart. Baby, we're two of a kind.
Lastly, I'm going to go in with some foundation and cover up the spots that kind of got messed up with my makeup. Like just my makeup, not the lace.
Everywhere I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want. Come on, spit it out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's minds. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. But you got that something that just rocks my world. I get up and feel like we are meant to be. The way you're talking to me, oh, oh. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want. Come on, spit it all out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's minds. So let's talk till we drop.
What I want to talk about first is how beautiful this wig is. I love a good install that doesn't require much work. I'm a true believer of work smarter, not harder. If I can save time with an install, believe me, I'm gonna do that. What I did originally was I kind of slicked back these hairs. So the hairs where the pre-plucked hairline is, I don't think you should push that back because it doesn't look as natural. When you push it back, it tends to look like a dark shadow. It almost doesn't look like hair. The lace is so clear, so it doesn't look like lace is there. It just looks like a dark shadow. I felt like I could do better than that. So I came back, you guys. I came back to close off this video and to refilm this portion of the video. I really love that I was able to take my time and go back, but you guys, we need to get up close and personal, sis. Now, I did not use any products on here, like any lace tint or anything. This is just how it comes. I was almost tempted to do a ball cap method for this unit, for this install, but I'm very familiar with this specific type of wig. The lace is like clear, right? So when you put a ball cap underneath, I would definitely not recommend using this darker ball cap. Say you buy this hair and you're going to someone to get it installed, don't use this like darker thick ball cap at all. I would recommend not even using a ball cap because you're gonna get the most realistic look. If you use that clear ball cap, that's gonna be the closest to scalp without having your hair out and exposed. But if you're gonna get this lace, you guys, you have to be aware that it is very see-through. Like it is 100% see-through. If you put anything underneath the lace, you're gonna see it. You can put this little clear plastic, girl, and you're gonna see it through the lace. Like, I'm not even playing with you. That's how clear it is. I recommend just putting it on top of your hair. If you don't have braids or anything like that, just slick your hair back. That's what I recommend, slicking your hair back and getting it really flat and then putting it on without a ball cap. You're gonna get this seamless look. The ball cap is gonna show through here, it's gonna show through everywhere, and you don't want that. So I definitely recommend not using a ball cap. Now, I rambled on about the ball cap. Now let's actually talk about this unit. So the density is beautiful on this wig, 200%. I would say yes, for a bone straight, silky straight wig, it is definitely giving me 200%. I'm gonna gather all the hair onto one side, and this is what she's giving you guys. That's a lot of hair. It's very full. It feels like it's a good weight for me too. 24 inch is hitting me a little bit longer. I'm gonna show you where a 24 inch usually hits me. 24 usually hits me here, but this one is hitting me here, you guys, so you will get extra length. Who doesn't love that? Now, the softness of the hair is very, very much silky. It has a very nice natural luster. It doesn't look shiny, but it looks very healthy, as you guys can see. I don't have any products in the hair. I just have it in its natural state, and I'm very curious to see what this wig is gonna look like after being washed. It is a really beautiful wig, you guys. I love it. If you're looking for a high quality wig, I would recommend this one to you. But I want you guys to know that this wig is a bit more pricey. So it is on the luxury side, I think, for wigs. Like anything over, you know, a couple $100s, I would say goes up to luxury. You're getting quality. Like, do you see this? With that being said, would I purchase this wig? I would actually purchase this wig. So this is definitely a wig that I think you would have for years and years. And I would definitely purchase this wig with my own money. I'm super impressed with it. My hands are running through it. There is no shedding. I did do the shed test earlier and absolutely no shedding whatsoever, and I'm really pulling on it. Not a single hair, you guys, is coming out. Beautiful. Like, it's just nothing. So this is a really good high quality wig. I am super impressed with you, Miss Cici. I gotta go. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you found it helpful or you learned something or you just enjoyed watching, leave me a thumbs up and leave a comment, you guys. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye for now.